Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will be touring Burlington, guys, and if you like to see what they have in Burlington, just keep on watching. Okay guys, let's see what Burlington has to offer. Guys, they are very limited in Burlington, but they still had a few beautiful items in Burlington. Yes, they did. Very beautiful, like these pieces here that are okay. Can't beat that, guys. So guys, let's move right along. And this beautiful, and this is the all black tray. Look at that price. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. I felt I needed that one. Yes. So guys, let's move right along into Burlington to see. Look at these items, guys. The shelves are very, very light, but this pampas grass in this vase, beautiful, guys. And y'all see the price on that. So guys, yes, they do have a few beautiful things in the item in the Burlington, but they're just limited, guys. We need to know what's going on with the beautiful home decor, because guys, I can tell you now, Burlington do have budget friendly items. Very inexpensive. Very inexpensive. So guys, if you are new to this channel, guys, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you part of these family. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much for rocking with me. Okay guys, in this Burlington, they had some power outage in Burlington. It went totally black, guys. So I was like moseying around in Burlington, and everything, you know, the power did not come for the register to come back on. So they wanted to hold a few of my items, and this was in another state, and we was going over to my daughter. So I was like, nah. But guys, what I did was I went to Burlington in Charlotte. So guys, yes, so it's two different Burlingtons in this video. But guys, I just want to thank you guys for taking the time out to watch my videos. So guys, continue watching, and remember, be good or be good at it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.